Hello guys and welcome to CPLC Education. In this session we will be solving CAT previous year question paper, verbal ability and reading comprehension section. So without any further delay, let us get started. So guys, this is the first reading comprehension. I would suggest that you pause the video and read this passage. This is the second part of the passage. Alright, I hope you have read the passage. So guys, इस पैसेज में क्या बात की गई है? So they are comparing technology with the customs, laws, human nature, etc. तो इन सब चीज़ों की यहाँ पे बात की गई है and various examples are given. So let us start with the questions. The first question: which one of the following statement best reflects the main argument of the fourth passage? अभी fourth passage की अगर बात की गई है तो हम पूरे passage को नहीं देखेंगे, only the fourth passage which starts from somewhere here. So I would suggest you read this again. Similarly, the automobile represents its users insofar as they are interested in the mobility. Interests such as these constitute the version of human nature sanctioned by society. This notion of representation does not imply an eternal human nature. The concept of nature as non-identity in the Frankfurt School suggests an alternative. On these terms, nature is what lies at the limit of history, at the point at which society loses the capacity to imprint its meaning on things and control them effectively. The reference here is of course not of the nature of natural science. This is important. हम natural science की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं लेकिन human nature की बात कर रहे हैं, but to the lived nature in which we find ourselves and which we are. This nature reveals itself as that which cannot be totally encompassed by the machinery of society. For the Frankfurt School, human nature in all its transcending force emerges out of a historical context as the context is depicted in illicit joys, struggles and pathologies. We can perhaps admit a less romantic conception in which those dimensions of human nature recognized by society are also granted theoretical legitimacy. मतलब theoretical legitimacy इनको नहीं मिली है. Now, ये पूरा पैसेज क्या बोल रहा था? So guys, आरसी में मेन आइडिया बहुत मैटर करती है. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड द पैसेज एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि बात किस बारे में हो रही है. अगर आपको डिफ़िकल्टी होती है मेन आइडिया समझने में, देन इट वुड बी बेस्ट कि आप एलिमिनेशन की टेक्निक अपनाओ. सो लेट अस अप्लाई दिस टेक्निक हियर. Which of the following statement best reflects the main argument of the fourth passage? Technological environment privilege certain dimensions of human nature as effectively as laws and customs. ठीक है, अभी इन्होंने उनको कंपेयर तो किया है लेकिन they haven't said कि certain dimensions जो human nature के है उसको वो privilege देती है. So, first option cancelled. Technology, laws and customs are comparable but dissimilar phenomena. No, they are in fact saying that they are similar phenomenon, right? So, this is also wrong. Automobiles represent the interest in mobility present in human nature. Now see, automobiles की बात तो हुई थी लेकिन ये सब जो है वो थर्ड पैराग्राफ में बात हुई थी. यहाँ पे हम इंटरेस्ट इन मोबिलिटी की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. टेक्नोलॉजी, लॉ एंड कस्टम्स आर नॉट अनलाइक. देखो जानबूझ के दो नेगेटिव्स दिए. अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन टू नेगेटिव्स आर देयर इट मीन्स अ पॉजिटिव. नॉट अनलाइक मीन्स like each other if considered as institutions. This is perfect. So what they have said is that they are similar if they are compared as institutions. Hence fourth will be your answer. Next, which one of the following statements could be inferred as supporting the arguments of the passage? तो इनमें से कौन सा argument support कर रहा है passage को? The romantic conception of nature referred to by the passage is the one that requires theoretical legitimacy. Theoretical legitimacy की बात तो हुई है लेकिन उन dimensions की बात की है of human nature. यहाँ पे उन्होंने human nature की बात नहीं की है, बस nature बोला है. Hence wrong. It is not human nature but human culture that is represented by institution. No, we were talking about human nature itself. Nature decides the point at which society loses its capacity to control history. Here, on these terms, nature is what lies at the limit of history, at the point at which society loses the capacity to imprint its meaning on things, not to control history. Hence wrong. देखो, आई होप आपको समझ में आ रहा है. छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स को चेंज कर देते हैं, ट्विस्ट कर देते हैं, ताकि हम एकदम, बिकॉज इन एग्ज़ाम हम बहुत घाई में रहते हैं, तो हम घाई में जस्ट फटाफट कोई वर्ड देख ले कि ये ऐसा कुछ पढ़ा था एंड मार्क कर दे, इसलिए ये ऐसा करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल आंसरिंग द रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन आंसर्स. Last, technologies form the environmental context and shape the contours of human society. This is what the argument was in the passage.